Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the personality or the characteristic of ChatGPT when answering your questions. Now, just to be clear, we're only changing the personality, and in general, it should not change the substance of the answer. It is just making AI to give you the answer in a different wordings or phrasing. And for some people, it might be more helpful. So let me show you how you can change the personality for both the mobile and the desktop web version of ChatGPT. And later, I will explain why I personally not using any of these and what I use instead. So let's open the mobile app version of ChatGPT, and then after that you can click this, you can tap on your profile name, go to personalization, and after that on ChatGPT personality you can open it and you can choose which characteristic that you want to have on ChatGPT. Tap this checkmark button, and after that the setting will be applied into your ChatGPT account. Now for the desktop version or the desktop web version, you can visit chatgpt.com. And after that, you can click on your profile picture on the bottom left corner of the screen. Go to personalization, and then on base style and tone, you can select the characteristic or personality of the AI model. So that's basically how you can do it. Now let's take a look at a few examples of answers that were generated by ChatGPT from different personalities, but it was from the same question. Basically, I'm asking about which product I should be buying, either iPad Air M3 or Microsoft Surface Copilot Plus PC with 12-inch screen. And in general, I think I can summarize the answers from ChatGPT. And I would say they are essentially the same. It's not changing the substance of the answer, it is just changing the phrasing or changing the wordings. And in this example, as usual, ChatGPT is not going to give you a precise answer, especially when you're asking it to compare A versus B or which product that you should be buying. So that's the typical answer of ChatGPT. It's eventually just tell you to choose yourself, and AI can only give you some explanation about each of the options that you provided. But I'm not using any of this. I'm not using any of the personalities available in ChatGPT. Instead, what I use is something called absolute mode. So if you look closely on my custom instructions, this is actually the prompt or instructions that will force ChatGPT to actually have an answer. So let's take a look at the answer that was created by ChatGPT using that instruction. As you can see, it now has an answer. It is almost like behaving like a person. It has its own mind, and therefore it has its own opinion and can give me the answer based on the instructions or based on the prompt that I just sent. So in my opinion, it is a lot more useful than just changing the personality of ChatGPT. And by the way, if you are interested, the absolute mode, the prompt is available in the description down below. You can copy and paste that into ChatGPT and you'll see a huge difference before and after applying this instruction. But anyway, that's how you can easily change the personality on your ChatGPT account. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.